So what exactly is happening in India right now? What is happening with the flights being cancelled? So recently, the Directorate General of Civil Aviation, the DGCA, implemented new and stricter flight duty time limitations for the airlines, which basically means that the airlines are now required to give longer rest periods for pilots, and the definition of night duty is even more stricter now. And they've also placed limits on the flying hours of pilots to reduce fatigue and to reduce chances of accidents because of the fatigue. So because of that, Indigo especially have not been able to comply to those rules, and they operate on a high frequency, high utilization and a low cost model. So, and also have a lot of late night flights. So their existing system of rotating the crew was clearly incompatible to work with the new limits in place. So they just had to cancel a lot of flights, and it has been very difficult for a lot of the flyers across India. You've seen a lot of people complaining, and rightly so. It's a very unfortunate thing to happen when you're planning to go somewhere and it is important for you to reach, and then the flight gets cancelled. What I genuinely feel is that and this is just a speculation, but I won't be surprised if this is what it turns out to be, considering that the airline market in India is a monopoly or a duopoly at the moment. What I would believe to be true is that Indigo are trying to pressurize the government to relax these new policies that are in place, and they want to try and show to the government that working with these new policies is not possible, especially in India, which is a high volume market. So by just disrupting the services like this, they're trying to show that these new rules will not work, and then people will have to suffer. And because India is a duopoly market, the government will have to kind of backtrack on their policies, and it will help Indigo because they don't have to waste their resources and try and hire new people and all of that. So that is what I feel is happening. Feel free to give your opinion, and